Right, this is a Gull dry suit. It's a surface dry suit for sailors rather than for divers. It's got a few problems and we're going to try and fix them using Stormsure repair products. First repair we're going to make is this little rip here, and I'm going to use Stormsure tough tape patch, but I'm going to put it on the inside. There it is. So there's the waterproof patch made, and you can hardly see it at all. So that's a good quality repair. There's a hole here as well, and we're going to do a quick repair on that. So the next job is to remove the old neck seal before we replace it with a new one. Right, here's the new neck seal that we're going to place on it, and it's going to go in like this. But the first thing I'm going to do is to actually cut the size here to fit my neck. So this is rather too small for me. So I'm going to cut it and make the neck opening a little bit larger. Focus down on here, you can see these concentric rings, and I'm going to cut down to that ring there. You can see where the glue needs to go, which is basically in the same place as it was before, but so what we're going to do is we put one layer of glue on, you leave it to dry for 10 minutes or something, and then put another layer of glue on top. That's a touch dry now, so now it's time to put the second layer on. Okay, and see, I'm just trying to get it so that it's level the whole way around. And then what we'll do is we'll put some Stormsure around the edge here just to tidy it up and make sure it's completely waterproof.
nice and smooth.